Welcome to Cyber Theo. If you're thinking about making the switch to an electric vehicle, EV, but aren't sure where to start, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of EVs, as well as provide a beginner's guide to understanding charging stations. By the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of whether an EV is the right choice for you. Let's get started. Pros of electric vehicles. Environmental benefits. Zero emissions. EVs produce no tailpipe emissions, which means they contribute significantly less to air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions compared to traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. Reduced carbon footprint. When powered by renewable energy sources, EVs can dramatically lower your carbon footprint, helping to combat climate change. Lower operating costs. Cheaper fuel costs. Charging an EV is generally cheaper than filling up with gasoline, especially if you can charge at home during off-peak hours. Lower maintenance. EVs have fewer moving parts than internal combustion engine vehicles, leading to lower maintenance costs over time. Quiet and smooth driving experience. Quieter rides. EVs are much quieter than traditional cars, providing a more peaceful driving experience. Instant torque. Electric motors provide instant torque, leading to quick acceleration and a smooth ride. Cons of electric vehicles. Higher upfront cost. Purchase price. EVs generally have a higher upfront cost than gasoline vehicles, although this is offset over time by lower operating costs and available incentives. Battery replacement. While EV batteries are designed to last a long time, replacing them can be expensive. Limited driving range. Range anxiety. EVs typically have a shorter driving range compared to gasoline vehicles, which can be a concern for long trips, although newer models are improving in this area. Charging infrastructure. While charging stations are becoming more common, they're still not as ubiquitous as gas stations, especially in rural areas. Charging time. Longer refill time. Even with fast chargers, it takes longer to recharge an EV compared to refueling a gasoline vehicle, which can be inconvenient during long journeys. A beginner's guide to charging stations. Types of chargers. Level 1 chargers. These are standard home outlets, providing a slow charge over several hours or overnight. Level 2 chargers. Often installed at home or found at public charging stations, these chargers provide a faster charge, usually within a few hours. Level 3, DC fast chargers. These are the quickest chargers, capable of charging an EV up to 80% in 30 minutes, commonly found at highway rest stops and commercial areas. Finding charging stations. Charging networks. Use apps like PlugShare or ChargePoint to locate nearby charging stations and check availability in real time. Home charging. Consider installing a Level 2 charger at home for convenience, which allows you to start each day with a full battery. Costs and payment. Charging costs. Understand that charging costs can vary depending on the location and type of charger, with some public chargers offering free charging while others may require payment via app or card. And that wraps up our beginner's guide to electric vehicles and charging stations. EVs offer numerous benefits, from environmental impact to lower operating costs, but they also come with considerations like range and charging time. I hope this video helps you make an informed decision on whether an EV is right for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching Cyber Theo. Check my links below for more content.